Want heat vision? I got you. Add a folder into replicated storage, then call it power assets, then add a folder to that folder and call it laser particles. Now add a particle emitter to this and a light. But I'm just gonna copy and paste what I already have for the laser, for the heat vision ability. You can just add a point light and particle emitter and then configure it as you'd like. But for now, I'm just gonna use these. Now we have all the assets we need for this build. So we will now start working on the heat vision mechanics. So let's start by adding a tool to starter pack and call it heat vision. Heat vision. Then we are going to add a script and call it functionality. Now let's add code to the script. And the first thing that we're gonna do is add the variables of the script. Then let's add the local function and task spawn so we can check the position and orientation. Finally, we're going to add event listeners that will check when the player clicks the tool and when the player unequips it. Okay, now we will make a local script in the tool and we're going to call it player action. Let's add the variables for this local script. Now after we add the variables, now we're going to add event listeners that will send data back to the functionality script. So then we can make a laser visualization in game. Now for the last and final thing, we will make remote events. I make a remote event and then call it get mouse pose, and then call the other one get held down. Oh wait, one final thing, we can't forget the sounds that the laser needs. So we're gonna add a folder and let's just call it power sounds and just add a laser sound effect. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna get the sound effect I already have, so I'll just paste it in there, but just get any sound effect for the laser and you should be good to go. But I think you probably need to call it just call it laser beam so then the script can get it. Also make sure when you start the game the tool does not require a handle because it just won't work at all if that's not false. And now if you play the game and use the heat vision tool, it should work and you should be able to kill another player. But if you're ready to make more abilities, in the next video we'll create the flight ability. So subscribe and turn on notifications to stay notified. Anyways, peace.